In this tutorial, we're going to be solving exercise 12. The exercise says, in this exercise, O indicates the center of a circle and T indicates a tangent to the circle. For questions 1 to 8, find the colored angles, fully explaining your reasons. And so for now, we're going to start with the question number 1, where we have this example. We can see the point T that indicates a tangent, and we need to find the measurement of the angle RTS. So in order to find the measurement of that angle, RTS, we're going to have to go through a certain procedure. The first thing that we're going to have to look for is the application of the alternate segment theorem. If we were to apply this alternate segment theorem, we can find the measurement, since the angle BTS is already given. And we know that using this theorem, it is equal to TRS, this angle right here. So they're equal to 40 degrees. Now that we have the measurement of TRS, we know that the triangle TRS has a sum of angles equal to 180 degrees. And so in such case, since we have the measurement of angles TRS and TSR, so RTS would be 180 minus those two angles, 40 and 70 degrees. So 180 minus 110 degrees, which is equal to 70 degrees. And that would be the measurement of the angle RTS.